How to get free storage on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel name. If your PC is running out of space, I'll show you how to free up storage, and it's totally free. Here's how to get started. First, open the Microsoft App Store, search for Microsoft PC Manager, and click Install. Once installed, open Microsoft PC Manager. The interface is simple to use. Click on Storage Manager and choose Deep Clean. It'll scan for junk files and show how much space you can free up. Click Clean to delete them. Next, go to Duplicate Files. The app will scan for duplicates, and you can easily delete them to save space. You can also check how many files you've deleted to track your storage savings. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've freed up storage on your PC. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you in the next video.